Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. The video asks how to create a website shortcut on a laptop or desktop computer. The host shows first to resize the browser window so you can see your desktop. They point out a little icon beside the URL, the padlock/site icon. You drag this icon from the address bar onto your desktop. The presenter demonstrates doing that with a site like YouTube. To create the shortcut, they repeat the same process with a different site. After closing the browser, they test the shortcut and show it works. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. I hope this guide was useful for you. If it helped, make sure to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you can catch more tips and tricks in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.